If you watched my last video, you saw that I was drying out basil as well as curing my onions. They're doing really well. I decided to continue that today, and I'm going to be drying out some moringa. I love moringa. I usually just eat it right off the tree. It's delicious. I'm also going to be drying out some lemon basil, and I moved this plant from the other side of the property over to my original basil, so now I have them both together. Oh, they smell so good. So I'm going to be drying these out today, and I'll let you see what that looks like. This is the moringa that I just picked, and I still have to take it off the stems, but that's what I'm going to harvest. And this is the lemon basil. I really should pick more, but that's just to start out. And this was a few days ago. I started drying out this basil. You can hear that it's crunchy. So that's working out. And my onions are still doing good. So I'm going to be moving on now to picking Barbados cherries. Barbados cherries offer a range of health benefits. They are high in vitamin C, with some varieties containing significantly more than oranges. While they are tangy and tart in flavor, they can be enjoyed fresh, added to dishes like salads, or used to make jams and preserves. Also, you can add them to beverages. Barbados cherries are packed with vitamins, which is important for boosting your immune system and your collagen production. They also contain other nutrients like calcium, vitamin A, and iron. So today I'm going to be picking my Barbados cherries. Good morning, Quackles. Going for a swim? Good morning, beautiful Rhode Island Reds and Buttercup. Good morning. Good morning, goats. Well, good morning. This is my moringa that I picked a couple of days ago, and look at it, already dried out. That's pretty cool. Real happy about that. I'm going to start putting them in jars. I got my jars right there. This is the lemon basil, not that dry, and this is the basil, and it is getting dry. Look at that. So I'm going to start jarring these up, and I'm going to be picking some more. how to tie up some of these onions and make little hanging clusters. I am going to be using some elastic bands to tie up the ends. Someone said that's the best method so that when the stem shrinks, the elastic will shrink with it rather than with string. So I learned that tip. All right, here's the onions hanging up in the pantry. Looking good. All right, guys, well, this is the Barbados cherry harvest so far. There's still some green ones left on the tree, but for now, this is what I'm taking. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next. Bye-bye.